Assalamualaikum and hi guys. For the introduction for this topic, the global nutraceutical market has expanded rapidly as consumers increasingly prioritize disease prevention and proactive health management. Among functional foods, the tomato has emerged as an important nutraceutical due to its high lycopene content, a powerful antioxidant associated with cardiovascular health, prostate health, and skin protection. Globally, tomatoes are often processed into standardized supplements and concentrated extracts. In contrast, the Malaysian market reflects a blend of modern wellness trends and cultural practices where tomatoes remain a dietary staple, a locally cultivated crop, and emerging ingredient in beauty and health supplements. Trade and market analysis are divided by two, which is the first one is global tech and consumer trends. Beyond lycopene, innovation is moving toward whole fruit synergy which combine all the tomato's natural nutrients for maximum health benefits. The next one is next-gen bioavailability. Advanced technologies like liposomal systems and nanotechnology are being used to protect antioxidants and boost body absorption. For the lifestyle formats, products are shifting away from traditional pills and into consumer-friendly options like functional gummies, pouches, and ready-to-drink beverages. Next one is the regulatory mix. Global expansion faces a fragmented regulatory landscape which is strict scientific testing and unique dual tracking in Japan. Next one is high compliance costs can create trade barriers and limit accessibility in price-sensitive markets. The next one is the Malaysian and APEC surge. The region is experiencing rapid, heavily driven by a strong cultural foundation of food as medicine, rising disposable incomes, a booming demand for clean label, natural tomato products.
One of popular nutraceutical products in Malaysia is tomato-based nutraceuticals, which is the lycopene supplements. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant naturally found in tomatoes and is known for its potential health benefits. In the Malaysian market, tomato-derived nutraceuticals are available in various forms such as tomato juice, tomato extract, lycopene capsule, and also functional beverage. These products are commonly associated with cardiovascular protection, the reduction of oxidative stress, and healthy aging. The consumption of tomato-based nutraceuticals in Malaysia is influenced by cultural, religious, and societal factors. Culturally, Malaysians have long believed that food can contribute to maintaining health and preventing disease. This belief has encouraged the acceptance of functional foods and nutraceutical products. From a religious perspective, halal certification is important because Malaysia has a majority Muslim population. Although tomatoes are naturally halal, consumers still pay attention to ingredients used in capsules, processing aids, and manufacturing process to ensure compliance with halal requirements. In addition, societal factors such as the increasing prevalence of diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular disease, together with greater health awareness after the COVID-19 pandemic, have contributed to the growing demand for nutraceutical products. Social media and wellness trends have also influenced consumer purchasing behavior. In Malaysia, the Ministry of Health plays an important role in protecting consumers by regulating nutraceutical products through the National Pharmaceutical Regulatory Agency, which is NPRA. NPRA is responsible for registering health supplements, evaluating their safety and efficacy, and monitoring health claims and advertisements. At the same time, JAKIM is responsible for halal certification and conducts audits of ingredients and manufacturing processes to ensure compliance with Islamic principles. Together, this agency help ensure that tomato-based nutraceutical products available in the market meet both safety and halal standards.
Tomato has proven itself as a powerful global nutraceutical, primarily driven by its lycopene content. The global market is growing at 14.4% CAGR and is projected to reach USD 709.5 billion by 2034. Looking at the three major markets, the United States relies on high consumer demand, but the FDA only permits qualified health claims for tomato sauce, not isolated lycopene supplements. Japan leads in innovation through its FOSHU and FFC systems, which allow faster market access and have grown the sector to USD 20 billion per year. Meanwhile, the EU and Germany operate under the strictest regulations through EFSA, requiring full scientific substantiation before any health claim is approved. In terms of innovation, the industry is advancing through new extraction technologies, functional beverages, cosmeceuticals, and whole tomato formulations.
These slides compare consumer preferences towards tomatoes in Malaysia and globally. In Malaysia, tomatoes are mainly consumed in daily home cooking, such as in soup, sauces, and sambal. Consumer preference is mostly influenced by taste, affordability, and familiarity, although awareness of lycopene and antioxidant benefit is increasing. Health benefits are usually not the main reason for consumption. Many consumers also prefer processed tomato products like ketchup and tomato paste because they are more convenient and have a longer shelf life. Meanwhile, in global, tomatoes are often consumed in fresh forms such as salads, juices, and Mediterranean style diets. Consumers are generally more aware of the health benefit of tomatoes and often associate them with disease prevention and overall well-being. Therefore, there is a higher preference for fresh, organic, and minimal processed tomatoes. Consumer choices are also influenced by health trends and scientific research.
Tomato-based nutraceutical products are becoming more popular because they contain lycopene and other beneficial bioactive compounds. However, there are clear differences between the Malaysian and global market. Globally, countries like United States and Japan have stronger scientific research, advanced food processing technology, and higher consumer awareness. This allows them to produce more innovative and competitive tomato-based nutraceutical products. In Malaysia, the market is also growing because more people are concerned about preventing disease, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and in addition, the halal certification system gives a local product extra value and increased consumer confidence. Despite the positive growth, Malaysia still faces several challenges. Local manufacturers depend heavily on import ingredients and technology, while agricultural products can be inconsistent. They also have been compete with well-established international brands. At the global level, companies face different regulation and high research costs. This difference can make international trade and product standardization more difficult. Another important issue is product marketing. Some companies may engage the health benefit of nutraceutical product, especially through social media advertising and influencer promotion. As a result, consumers may trust marketing claims more than scientific evidence. Therefore, public awareness and regulatory monitoring by agencies such as NMPRA are important to protect consumers and ensure product safety. Even with this challenge, Malaysia has strong opportunity to grow in this industry. The increased demand from natural and halal certificated products create a good market for local manufacturers. To become more competitive, Malaysia should invest more in research and innovation, improve consumer education, support local industry, and maintaining strict quality control and regulatory standards. In conclusion, the global market is stronger in terms of research and technology, while Malaysia has advantage in halal certification and increased consumer demand. Although there are challenges such as dependence on imported ingredient and misleading marketing claim, Malaysia has great potential to become an important player in the global tomato-based nutraceutical market if it continues to improve research, innovation, and consumer awareness.
In conclusion, tomato-based nutraceuticals have strong potential because they are rich in lycopene and other bioactive compounds that provide antioxidant and cardiovascular benefits. In Malaysia, the demand of this product is increasing due to the rising prevalence of non-communicable disease and greater awareness of preventive health care. Although the developed countries are more advanced in research technology and product innovation, Malaysia still have a strong market potential, especially with the support of halal certification and NPRA regulation. Therefore, with continuous research, product development, and consumer awareness, tomato-based nutraceutical can play an important role in improving public health and wellness in the future.